How to add multiple videos to Instagram's story. Method 1. Using Instagram's default option, open your Instagram app and swipe right to access the story camera. Tap on the gallery icon to open your photo library. At the top right, click on the Select and select the videos you want to add. You can choose 2 or 3 videos from your camera roll. At the bottom right, click on the arrow with circle icon. Click on Done. At the bottom left, you will see video previews. By default, Instagram adds the videos in sequence. You can shift which one you want first. Then, tap on Share icon, then Share. They will play one after another within your story. Instagram doesn't provide any direct way to put all videos in a single story like this. If you want to know how I made this, follow the next method. For this method, you need CapCut app. You can download it from the App Store or Google Play Store. It's free. Open CapCut and create a new project. Import your first video. Adjust the aspect ratio by tapping the Aspect Ratio button and selecting the 9:16 option with the TikTok icon, which fits Instagram stories. Resize and position your video by pinching to zoom and dragging it to your desired position on the screen. To add more videos, tap on the Overlay button, then Add Overlay. Select another video from your gallery, adjust its size and position as needed. Repeat the overlay process for additional videos if you want to include more on the same screen. Once you're satisfied with the layout, save the project to your phone's gallery by tapping the Export button. Then, go back to your Instagram story camera and upload the video you created in CapCut. And there you have it.